Emergency flood services. When it comes to a flood or water damage emergency in your home, every minute counts. If flood water inside your home is not dealt with quickly, your walls as well as your carpet, flooring, ceiling, and personal property can quickly become waterlogged and damaged beyond repair. Flooded zones can quickly environments, not to mention rot and mold growth. All it takes is a few inches of water to create a serious threat of your home or office. The harmful effect of water damage can be reduced greatly by the prompt and reliable emergency flood services from roto routers. All services not available from all locations. When water damage emergencies strike, our plumbing and water damage restoration experts are well trained and knowledgeable in handling a water damage emergency whenever the situation strikes. Our trained professionals receive the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning and Restoring certification, IICRC, and they will always perform emergency water damage services in compliance with the highest standard for professional damage. Storing roto routers vehicles are fully equipped with state of the art water extractions, trying and moisturize testing equipment to handle everything, include water and sewer damage cleanup and deuterizing, dry off contents and structure water leak repair.